This is a used 2004 Buick Rendezvous, powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 4-speed automatic transmission. The features include Sirius XM satellite radio, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, roof rails, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass, air conditioning, power windows, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: fog lights, side airbags, independent suspension, a passenger airbag, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Mike Dorian Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 35900 Gratiot Avenue, Clinton Township, Michigan 48035.